Using IC markets with cTrader is a great way to trade with a fast and intuitive platform. Here's how to use cTrader with IC markets. Open an IC markets account. First, sign up for an IC markets account on their official website. Choose the cTrader account type during the sign-up process. Download cTrader. Once your account is set up, download the cTrader platform. You can get the desktop version from the IC Markets website or the mobile version from the App Store or Google Play. Log into cTrader. After installation, open the cTrader app and log in with your IC Markets cTrader account credentials. Navigate the interface. The cTrader interface is simple and user-friendly. The main sections include the Market Watch, Charting Area, and Order Ticket. Market Watch. View live price quotes for various instruments. Charts. Analyze charts using a range of tools like indicators, drawing tools, and time frames. Order Ticket. Place new trades by setting order type, position size, and risk parameters. Place orders. Select the instrument you wish to trade, enter the position size, set stop loss or take profit levels, and click buy or sell to place the trade. Monitor and manage trades. Track active trades, view open positions, and adjust stop loss or take profit levels as needed.